Starting a service of safety with the touch of a button, Hamilton County is now changing how it handles protection orders.
Evan Millward joining us live right now to explain why this is expected to actually break down some barriers. Evan?
Yeah, Craig, Tanya, first it means people will have access to translators at any time. They can reach more people. And the clerk of court says they are making it easier to file one of those protection orders. In fact, someone can now start the process on their computer or even their phone at any time.
Inside Magistrate Tom Baradon's Hamilton County courtroom.
We hear between 7 and 20 ex parte cases a day.
Getting those cases, though, can be an inconvenient, stressful process.
A lot of times protection orders is one of many steps.
Now Hamilton County Clerk of Courts has a way to ease that step by putting the paperwork online in layman's terms so it can be done before a trip to the courthouse. And now translators from more than 100 languages are available quickly.
For me, this is personal.
Clerk Pavan Parika has been a special victims counsel.
I've had to sit with these mainly women as they try to recount what happened to them and how the system has failed them. So we are looking for ways to make sure that the system stops failing people. We're looking at ways to introduce technology.
Inside the clerk's office on the courthouse's third floor, follow the signs. You'll find QR codes to take you to this, clerkcourt.org/filing assistant to get started.
We're going to take the legalese out of it. So instead of saying petitioner, we're going to ask you for what is your name.
Small changes to streamline, making less work for office staff and easier access for victims. Local law enforcement can now offer this code immediately when they call.
So instead of it being a next step, the next day conversation piece, it gives us the ability to initiate that conversation in those moments and also give the person access then.
If they can start the night before with the victim advocate at that time, I think it'll help with a lot of issues.
So here's the thing, you will still have to go to the clerk's office to finalize things. That's actually one way they say they're going to be able to cut down on possible abuse of this streamlined system. And this could just be the first change in the clerk's office. Parika says they are looking at other ways to streamline access to courts and therefore justice. Tanya?